Authentic style. How would it feel to walk into your closet every single morning and know that it was filled with signature looks, pieces that were authentic to you, pieces that were handpicked with you in mind? Authentic style. What is it and how do you get it? Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I help successful, amazing businesswomen just like you. I help you to create a signature wardrobe that is uniquely you, so that you are getting dressed with ease. You can look in the mirror every morning and say, this is so me. Let's talk about authentic style and what is one step that you can begin that process to move toward. One of the things I love to bring into the mix of authentic style is personality profiles, personality tests. And I'm referring to, for example, the DISC, the Strength Finders, whatever that profile is that you follow. So I'm going to share an experience that I had years ago that was so, it was just a turning point for me about how I described my personal style, how I described my brand to others, and how it all came together in such a beautiful way. So I'm actually going to read it here from the Strength Finders book. So my number one strength is the maximizer. And again, I remember when I learned about Strength Finders and read this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so me. And this is what I want you to discover about yourself. So it says the maximizer values excellence and not average, and that is their measure. Having found a strength, you feel compelled to nurture it, refine it, and stretch it toward excellence. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is what I do. That is how I help my clients. I'm always trying to find, how do I take it from average to how do I take it to excellence? And so I started realizing that the word excellence was one of my values. I started realizing that when I got dressed, it wasn't about perfection, but it was about excellence. It was about quality. It was about things being done in an organized fashion. It was about the refinement. So I want you to go back to a personality profile and think about like your top, whatever, whether it's, I'm using the examples of DISC because I'm familiar with it. Are you an I, that you inspire others? Are you a D, that you are a leader? Are you the DISC? Are you the analytical? Are you the supportive? Are you a people person? Then I want you to go back and I want you to look at a picture of yourself. And I want you to think about, does that picture, and this might be a profile picture you have on LinkedIn. It might be a favorite picture you have that you say, I love this outfit. And I want you to ask yourself, is it aligned with one of your strengths in your personality profile? This is authenticity. We think that our personality profile, our style, our work, our brand, we think it's all disconnected. It is not. It is all interrelated. And so I ask you, are you showing up in an authentic style that aligns with who you are? When you find and discover and begin owning your authentic style, oh my gosh, it is so freeing. It is so wonderful to go shopping. It's so wonderful to try something on, and you no longer have that doubt because you have claimed your authenticity. I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/style confidence and to download the Get Style Confident Now guide and to begin taking that first step in discovering your authentic style.